Welcome back. The Supreme Court has upheld the validity of Majidiyya Wage Board, saying that its recommendations are based on genuine consideration. It has also dismissed newspaper organizations' challenge to the constitutional validity of Working Journalist and Newspapers Employees Act. The Wage Board will have to be implemented with arrears from November 2011, when the Wage Board was notified. An apex court bench headed by Chief Justice P. Sadashivam on Friday upheld the procedure adopted by the Majidiyya Wage Board, holding that the variations pointed out in procedure was not grave in nature. The court also upheld the independence of the two members, holding that their mere association to the government did not attribute any bias or independence to them. The court held that the Wage Board will have to be implemented from November 11, 2011, when it was notified by the government, and the arrears from November 11, 2011 to March 2014 will be paid to the employees in 4 equal installments spread over a period of 1 year. It ordered that the revised pay scales under the recommendation of the Majidiyya Wage Board will come in force from April 2014. Bureau Report, Prudent. Parrikar-led government should not discriminate among the BJP and Congress workers. This request comes from newly appointed General Secretary of Congress, Sunita Vedekar. She says whether it is developmental work or implementation of schemes, there shouldn't be any injustice.
So भारतीय जनता पक्षान म्हाका दिसता की जबाबदारी आसा ते कोणी हाडले कित्याक हाडले हातून राजकारण करत बसन असताना त्या हॉस्पिटलान सुविधा दिवपाचो तांच्यांनी प्रयत्न करपाक जाय. तशेंच मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांच्यांनी एक स्टेटमेंट केल्ले की सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप जे आसा ते सगळ्या सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांक आपूण परत काम दितलो म्हणून. पूण म्हाका हालींच अशे दोग-तीग बायलांनी रिपोर्ट केला ती काँग्रेस पक्षाची आसा की तांकां सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांसून काडून उडयला, तांकां तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट परत दिवंक ना. तेन्ना असो अन्याय जावपाक जायना. तशी म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट आसा मुख्यमंत्र्यांक की जे मिड डे मिलाचो जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आसा तो पयलींचे जे लोक आसा काँग्रेस पक्षाचे जे लोक आसा तशेंच बीजेपीचे जे लोक आसतले तांकां डिवायड करून दिवचो आनी तांचेर अन्याय करचो.
There seems a truce now at Congress block level. Party workers have shown willingness to work together. They now say whether it is Pratap Gawas or Sunita Vedekar, they are with the party.
आमचे कोण कोण आसा सगळ्यांनी मेळून एक कडेन काम करपाचे. जेन्ना फुडले 3-3.5 वर्सांक जेन्ना इलेक्शन येतले तेन्ना ते अजून खूब टायम आसा. तेन्ना आतां आमी 3.5 वर्सांक सगळ्यांनी मेळून काम करपाचें. कोणाक खंयचो पोस्ट मेळटा कितें मेळटा तें पळोवपाचें ना. तिकीट मागीर कोणाकूय मेळो आमी सगळे मेळून एकूच कडेन काम करतले.
तशें कांय ना. आमी एक निश्ठावान काँग्रेसचे कार्यकर्ते आहा. फाल्यां आमकां काँग्रेसीन कोणी कॅन्डिडेट दिलो आमी तेजे कडेन काम करतले. तो मागीर सुनीता वेरेकर जावं किंवा प्रताप गांवस जावं नाल्यार आनी कोणी जावं आमी निश्ठावान काँग्रेसचे कार्यकर्ते हें सांगपाचें आमकां आसा मेन.
Earlier, some of the Congress supporters had opposed the appointment of Sunita Vedekar as the General Secretary of the Congress. Uday Parab for Prudent. Shaddai will organize their 4th Goa Marathon from Kampal on Sunday. There will be running races in 21 km, 10 km and 5 km events beginning at 6 in the morning. The aim of the organizer is to raise money to construct homes for the poor. Dempo Sports Club footballer Beto is one of the big names to support the event.
Kampal ground on Sunday morning, 6 o'clock. And we have 21K for those who are professional. Then the 10K for the veterans, and then the 5K is a dream run which anybody and everybody can run. If you can't run, you can walk. Then there are school runs, which is competitive, like the children can get prizes. Our challenge is to raise money to build homes for the poor and the destitute in the suburban area of Goa, like the remote areas or in the slum areas near the cities.
There are 2 reasons, I got excited about the marathon. The first one is the idea behind it, to build, something for the poor and to help people who are in need. And the second, as a sports person, although I'm a footballer, I love sports, and I always will be in favor of any kind of sports that help people to, to bring this into their life.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.